What is going on YouTube? It's GadgetsBoy and welcome to another video. So today we're going to be unboxing this. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 and the keyboard. That's an extra. You have to buy that extra. So we're going to unbox it and take a look at what's inside. I've got my knife. Got two boxes here to unbox. Let's go. First, let's take this wrapper off. Thank you Samsung for awesome packaging. Typical. Looks a bit like the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. See that? Put that to the side for a second. Oh, that sounds like it went through. So this is the book cover keyboard. So you can use it and turn this into a really productive tool. Let's put that to the side for a second. We'll come back to that. So this is it. This has got 64 gig built-in memory, which you can expand as well. You got 4 gigs of RAM and it's running on Snapdragon 835 processor, which it's not the latest, it's not the most powerful, but I'm guessing Samsung are thinking it should be able to handle everything that you need to do. But we'll find out when we start doing a proper review of this later on. It comes with S Pen as well, and for the first time you can actually do live message with it as well. You can do translation and that kind of stuff. Fingerprint magnet, as you can see already. You got a quick start guide, so do give that a read. Got fast charge, again 3-pin fast charge there for the UK, and this is USB Type-C, as you can see there. And here's the S Pen. Let's have a look. Oh, this is nicer. So this feels more like a pen, is more rounded, which is really nice, but it feels really nice and light as well. I really like that. Put that to the side. See what else we got in here. Such a big box of emptiness. And this is, you know what, I've never understood what this is for every time I see it in Samsung packaging. Let me just take that out so you guys see what I mean. I believe it might be to change, a tool to change the tip of the pen. It's because you get spare tips there, so you can use that to sort of pull it out and stuff like that. So I believe that's what that is. But if I'm wrong, do tell me in the comments below. Let me know what you think it actually is, but I think that's what it is. So while that's powering on, let's just go through what it's like around this device. So first thing you notice, compared to the old version, the predecessor, they've gotten rid of the home button and the physical back return button and the menu buttons and stuff. So again, it just extends the size of the screen. It supports HDR, so you get a really nice sharp display. It looks beautiful from here at first glance as well. On the front, you have 8 megapixel camera, and on the side, we've got volume rocker, your power button, and your SIM card tray on the side there. Again, there's a Wi-Fi version and a 4G model, LTE model as well. You can expand this using a micro SD card if you want to do so. On the back here, we have a 13 megapixel camera, which can also shoot 4K at 30 frames per second, which is pretty neat if you ask me. We've got 4 AKG speakers set up here. You can see it around the device at the top and at the bottom there as well. You got USB-C ports and 3.5mm headphone jack, which is pretty good that they've done that, because then for multimedia purposes, you can plug in your headphone and really enjoy using this as well. On the side, as you can notice there's a pin here and 2 ports there. That's for docking it on your keyboard, which I'll show you guys just in a second. And here's the keyboard. So let's just take this out of the packaging. True Samsung style, nice design. So this is a folio case kind of thing keyboard, book cover, and it's got a port on the side so you can dock your pen. Just grab that. So when you're not using your pen, you can just stick your pen on the side, which is pretty neat in terms of design. You got a hole there for your camera on the back, so you can still use your camera with the case on as well. Just remove this. There we go. You can see a little logo there, little symbols there to tell you how it's like, how it should be placed. So that would dock here. Probably best to insert here first, like so. And whenever you need to use this, you just dock it like that. And then the device recognizes that it's been docked in here. So then you can use stuff like Samsung DeX. So it allows you to use it like a PC, in sort of like a PC way. So you can use it with a mouse, whatever you want to call it, and so on. So it kind of goes into landscape mode. Just wait for that to come on, so you can see DeX already loaded. So you get all the dock at the bottom there, so it looks like a desktop really. So if you take this out, again, you can use this to work the system if you want to use that. You got a nice keyboard. Again, we'll go through this when we review the product itself to see how good the keyboard is for travel, for typing, all that kind of stuff. It looks really nice. And if we just take that out, it goes back into tablet mode, and we can close that like so. In fact, that's magnetic as well, so it fully hooks on, so it doesn't go anywhere, it doesn't fly around. Really nice. I'm liking this at first glance, and I'm looking forward to fully trying this out and seeing what it's like. Overall, I think based on the specs and the design, this has got potential to be a really powerful device for being productive on the go. You got 7,300 mAh battery in there, a good level of processor, 4 gig RAM. I'm not sure about that. Again, we'll find out more about that during the tests. Good level of memory, you can expand it as well, comes with a nice accessory. I think all in all, first impression, I really like it. I like the idea of this, and I'm looking forward to really trying it out. In the meantime, guys, do let me know what you think in the comments below. Check out the links in the description and everything else. And make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button as well, so you'll be one of the first people to know every time we upload on this channel. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.